talk about something that influences almost every part of our life, social media. But instead of separating the challenges, opportunities, and power, let's explore them side by side. Each challenge comes with an opportunity, and each opportunity reveals the power of social media. Now, let's begin.
Our first challenge is misinformation and fake news. Social media spread information so quickly, but not all it is true. Wrong information can cause confusion and even harm community. Now, let's proceed to opportunity.
And now, opportunity. Social media allows us to reach instantly. We can fact-check, share reliable sources, and educate others. With the right use, connectivity can fight misinformation.
This shows the power of social media, its ability to influence public opinion. A single post can change how people say the word for better or worse. So let's continue for cyberbullying education platforms for voices.
Another challenge is that cyberbullying, harmful words, online harassment can destroy confidence, mental health. But the opportunity is that social media is also a place for education and awareness. We can learn new skills, join discussions, and find communities that support us.
And the power, social media gives a platform for voices. Even ordinary people can be heard by movement, turning into strength and awareness into action. The third challenge is addiction. Spending too much time online can lead to stress, lack of focus, and even isolation.
But the opportunity here is business and marketing. Social media gives entrepreneurs and low-cost way to reach global customer and society.
And the power is incredible. Social media can drive social and political change, from disaster relief to global movements, like climate action. It has proven to transform online voices into real-world impacts. So, as we've seen, every challenge comes with an opportunity, and every opportunity reveals the power of social media. It's up to us to show how we use it, whether we fall into this risk or rise with this potential. The big question is, will you use social media wisely? Because the power is already in your hands. Thank you.